Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python dictionary collection, which is Dict Datatype. So first of all, what is this dictionary collection in Python programming, which is a Dict Datatype? So dictionary is a collection of data in the form of key value pairs. So coming to some technical points related to the Dict data type. So first point, it is collection of elements as key value pairs. For example, dictionary1 is equals to curly braces roll number colon 1001 comma name Sai comma age 21. So here dictionary keys are generally single object or single data. We can also have multi-data also. And then dictionary values are single value or multiple values like list, tuple, etc. Here dictionary keys are unique, no duplicates, and these are immutable objects, all the keys. And here whenever we try to put duplicate key value pair, it will replace the previous key and its corresponding value. Dictionary values can be duplicated but not keys. Dictionary does not support indexes to its collection, and dictionary data structure is mutable. It can be modified, especially the values. We can add, we can modify the existing value. We can also delete a particular key value pair. All are possible. So dictionary key value pairs are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. And coming to the key value pairs, they are given with colon as a separator. For example, Dict1 roll number 1001 name colon Sai age 21. Dict2 curly braces 1001 Sai 1002 Ram comma 1003 Ali. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python Dict example 1. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking a dictionary Dict1 here, curly brackets roll number 1001 name Sai age 21. Print type of Dict1, print Dict1. So type, it is of type class Dict1. Right, so save this, come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So py python dict example 1. Right, so it is of type class dict. This is a dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Curly brackets, key value pairs are separated with colon. So next let us take dict2. So dict2, I'm taking it as 1001 Sai, 1002 Ram, 1003 Ali. Print type of dict2, print dictionary 2. Run it. So class Datatype, this is the dictionary in dict2. Next let us take unique keys and duplicate values. So first two cases here, dict3 1001 Ram, 1001 Sai, 1001 Ram. So this 1001 Ram will replace previous key value pair 1001 Sai, and then 1003 Ali. So print type of dict3, print dictionary 3. Right, 7, run it. So 1001 Sai is replaced by 1001 Ram because it accepts only unique keys. Right, So next one, second case, unique keys and duplicate values. Dict 3, 1001 psi, 1002 RAM, 1003 psi. So psi value is duplicated, no problem, it is accepted. Save and run. 1001 psi, 1003 psi. So keys are unique, values can be duplicated. Now we will take with multiple values here. It goes like this. So Dict 4, roll number 1001, name, psi, marks. I'm taking a list. So 5 subject marks. So print type of Dict 4, print dictionary 4. So save this and run it. So roll number, name, 5 subject marks. Next, let us take keys are immutable. So here I'm going to take 3 cases. So Dict 5. Okay, first case, right? So here I'm taking roll number 1001. Okay. Next, I'm also taking here key as a list, name, value, psi. Okay, and then I'm taking here marks as multiple data. This is okay. But if you see here, key is a list. List is represented in square bracket. So keys are immutable. So here key list is mutable. So it is not accepted. We should get a type error. So save this and run. So list, we got a type error for this second key, name, psi. Okay, so keys are immutable, whereas list name is mutable. It is not accepted as key. Okay, let us go for the second case. Keys are immutable. So Dict 5, roll number 1001. Right, if you see here name, I'm taking it as a tuple key. So tuple is immutable, so this is accepted, and 5 subject marks. So print type of Dict 5, print Dict 5. So save this and run it. So roll number 1001. So name, it has been taken as a string. So tuple with single value, and then 5 subject marks. Right, so next, third case. Right, so I'm going to take Dict 5, roll number 1001. So roll number, it is a string. So string is immutable, which is a key. Next, key, I'm taking it as a tuple, first name, last name, colon. Value is also a tuple, psi, ram. So first name is psi, last name is ram. So key as a tuple with multiple values. So tuple is a immutable. So immutable key is accepted in dictionary. And then finally marks. Marks, I'm giving a value as list, 5 subject marks. So print type and Dict 5. So roll number 1001, first name, last name, psi, ram, and then 5 subject marks. Right. So this is how we are supposed to work with dictionary collection or dict collection in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.